Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video. I've been getting a lot of private messages asking me about how I remove the factory strap of my MoonSwatches without damaging the bias around the case. The typical way to release the spring bar is actually using one of these spring bar tools, which you can see it's pretty sharp edges. Sure, you can tape up the sections right here and right here, use the tool, and then hope that you don't scratch it. But I do it a different way. I don't want to take that risk. So I just grab your dental floss, you grab a generous amount. Once you have that, then you grab your watch and you feed this through the case and the strap, like so. You get equal amount on both ends, and you want to get this in between the strap and the watch case. So you're gonna pull up and pull down. So what I do is I loop this with my finger, and then I do this, just like that. You can see that's actually captured on the spring bar, and that's what you want to do, right? So now that's removed. So now what I do is I feed this part of the spring bar on one end, and then I stage it on that side, and I just use my fingernail to hold down. And then I wait for a snap. Where are you at? There you go. You didn't hear the snap because it's raining here. And that is how I remove the straps on my Omega Swatches without damaging the case. Hope that helps. See you soon.